Cardano is gonna be an Ethereum killer crypto. Looking for the next big cryptocurrency? What about Cardano? Will it be 10x the value? It's sure to keep on watching because we have a special hidden surprise for you in today's video. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next year, or month, or week. Let's get to it. The information is given for educational and entertainment purposes on this channel and should not be considered as a piece of investment advice, financial advice, or trading advice. Viewers should do their research before making investments and consult financial advisors. Bitcoin is currently in the news, not for its financial volatility, but because of the perceived environmental damage of the cryptocurrency. The idea was to create ecologically sustainable Bitcoin mining as well as blockchain validation processes. This led to an enormous demand wave of green cryptos, with investors attempting to pick up the next great altcoin, which could usurp Bitcoin's throne and be the next crypto king. Some ESG-focused investors, environmental, social, and governance, believe Bitcoin contributes to global warming. There's still a lot of electricity used by computers in Bitcoin mining, and it's mostly produced from combustible sources like coal and natural gas. ESG investors seem to have influenced Musk to cease accepting Bitcoin as a Tesla vehicle payment. Note that Bitcoin mining is not green by itself. Crypto miners of Bitcoin or Ethereum using coal-based energy or gas might be non-green. But renewable green cryptos are those when Bitcoin or Ethereum is mined from solar, geothermal, wind, hydropower, or battery sources. However, the reality of the cryptocurrencies using mining are highly energy-intensive proof of work, no matter where this energy comes from, is not avoided. As Professor James Angle of Georgetown University's associate says to InvestorPlace, Bitcoin has a highly wasteful proof-of-work algorithm, which now consumes the equivalent of 50 nuclear power stations in Chernobyl running around the clock. An increased price of Bitcoin leads to more mining, and hence more use of electricity. And the capability of Bitcoin is limited to 7 transactions per second by design. Efficient technologies such as proof of stake are available while the details remain controversial. An environmentally conscious person should avoid all proof-of-work crypto assets. It's a tragedy for the ecosystem. Proof of stake is an alternate way to prove that the integrity of a cryptocurrency is maintained. Just like proof of work, it stops crypto holders from utilizing their cryptos twice or more, thereby maintaining the integrity of cryptocurrency. It works like this. Some validators have placed a share of their cryptocurrency in the blockchain to confirm the authenticity of a block. Validators gain a set amount of cryptography as a reward for using the staking scheme. There's no substantial energy consumption for this way to earn crypto rewards. These digital currencies can therefore be regarded as green cryptos. From a list of green cryptos, Ethereum and Cardano seem to have good potential, but Cardano seems to go 10 times more than any other crypto in the current situation. With a market cap of $52.7 billion, Cardano already uses a POS mechanism named Ouroboros. Any ADA owner can stake their coins and receive incentives for confirming a blockchain setting. It's now one of the first green cryptos available on the market. Indeed, several authors now think of Cardano as merely a better, third-generation Ethereum-like crypto, and it's called Ethereum Killer. Cardano employs a POS method, yet both cryptos focus on supporting intelligent contracts, e.g. in finance. But before the Ethereum Foundation is declared, it would soon shift from POW to a POS system. Ethereum also has a problem with its high gas charges. You have to pay transaction costs every time, including in a digital wallet you wish to send Ethereum tokens. Cardano, founded by Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Ethereum, has fees substantially lower. Moreover, Cardano's is a lot easier to own. As of 19th March, Coinbase, the biggest crypto and wallet exchange company in Cardano, was able to transact. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson also indicated that Cardano and Cuban personnel are in touch with each other through a Memorandum of Understanding regarding a non-fungible token or Cuban NFT marketplace. According to Hoskinson, they came to terms about something. Following the Twitter battle between Cuban and Hoskinson, the former personally participated in the negotiations. Hoskinson said, "We should see a lot in the next 90 days of beta testing on the smart contract capability in ADA," Yahoo Finance reported. In the recent past, Hoskinson has advised CEO Elon Musk of Tesla Inc. through a video on scaling Dogecoin. Cardano, the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has increased by 846% to the 31st of May so far this year, beating Bitcoin and Ethereum, which rose 264.63% and 29.57% respectively. This is 3 times better than the Ethereum performance. Cardano is a crypto token that's been on a tear since last year. It was 5.3 cents a year ago. Cardano had reached $2.2129 on Sunday the 16th of May. This is 41.5 times the price of a year ago and represents an increase of 4,050%. ADA reached 17.53 cents by the end of 2020. On the 16th of May, it was at $2.197, up 1.153% to the present year. This is amazing. Although this year Cardano is off the mark. We anticipate Cardano's going to reach those heights again. So maybe Cardano will become a killer of Ethereum if these trends continue. There are several reasons why Cardano could overtake Ethereum. On the 15th of May, the Twitter talks between Mark Cuban and Hoskinson were highly interesting as it was on the utility of ADA. In short, the existing characteristics of ADA over ETH are discussed by Mr. Hoskinson. He started as the first successful proof-of-stake system that Ethereum had not yet achieved, with the stature of Cardano. The safety of its new intelligent contract system has also been described. Cardano is more design-friendly, finally. It does not require one language to be used. While Ethereum in the development community loses pace, Cardano catches up. Several DeFi apps have already worked for Cardano, which are decentralized finance. These would take ADA to a new height. Cardano saw one of the biggest price rises in any big cryptocurrency so far in 2021. The coin is more than 10 times more worthwhile than it was in January, with a price of $1.85 as of the 3rd of June. We're almost at the end of the video, so it's time for the surprise mini quiz. What type of technology does Cardano use? 1. Proof of stake. 2. Proof of work. Let us know in the comments below what you think the answer is. The recent crypto crash has wiped out many of Bitcoin's recent gains, although it's still up around 32% from the 1st of January, with Ethereum's electrifying surge at least temporarily dampened, around 35% down from its most recent all-time high. However, in the face of increased market volatility, Cardano has maintained more of its upswing actions. The average forecasts of Coinpedia indicate that ADA will increase till the end of 2021. All year round, Cardano will achieve its maximum increase in value and establish a new all-time high. ADA might hit $10 by the end of 2021. With a price of $12, ADA would begin in 2022. If it focuses on particular developments and reaches more investors, pricing could hit new heights. Cardano might trade around the $22 mark before the end of 2022. Cardano could achieve a better win in 5 years or more as many partnerships and integrations are planned. This will have a good long-term influence on ADA. Cardano might reach $100 in the next 5 years. In comparison, Cardano would trade from $1.26 to $2.175 over the following year, and would hit $5.7 at the end of 2026, according to Wallet Investor. According to Trading Beasts, Cardano might hit $1.29 by the end of 2021, and would be able to trade at $1.60 by the end of 2024. The reason for such a rise is because Cardano is different from other cryptocurrencies. Cardano features one of the most dynamic crypto communities in the world. Cardano has drawn much interest from the crypto investors, who now converge on diverse plans to discuss the project growth and development, the Cardano coin, news, upgrades, and new collaborations and accomplishments. The Reddit Cardano forum is one of those communities. The Cardano wallet is one of the safest in the crypto eco that's ever been disclosed. In particular, The wallet is meant to facilitate mobility, speed, and self-custody. Ledger and Yoroi are among the most popular. The smart contract, which essentially means adding code to allow for automatic and self-rendering contracts, will soon be implemented by Cardano. Smart contracts enable developers, like the massively successful decentralized Uniswap exchange, to construct applications on top of blockchains. Decentralized finance, DeFi, has been developed on smart contracts, much of it on Ethereum. If the bullish cryptocurrency analysts are right, the whole business can rise in the years to come. But the days of the purchase of a single Bitcoin or an Ethereum valued at a couple of dollars are long gone. Is the value of Cardano eventually like those coins gonna rise into the stratosphere? For now, there's no saying, but Cardano's underlying principles seem sound, and many investors view it as a worthy long-term investment in the prospective crypto monetary project, considering the current low prices per coin. Now that you've made it so far, it's time for the answer of the quiz. The right answer was A. Cardano uses proof of stake. With this, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Cardano Land.